We got little man out here.
Shut up.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Uh-oh.
Crazy.
There's our future track out there, so if you don't know. We got a swamp here today, and we're
Watch out for that piece of crap.
stupid enough to ride 250s in the freaking rain. That's what we're about to do. Except
All right.
not me, I can't touch the ground. But
Hey, give us a quick intro.
What?
Give us an intro.
So we're about to ride dirt bikes in this sloppy mess. Stay tuned for crashes and stuff. So, yeah. Always subscribe, share, comment. Till next time, let's ride.
Why are you headed toward the... You ain't gonna ride the Suzuki, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for reminding me, because I completely forgot.
Here, move.
Hold on, let me check that.
Probably don't have gas.
This thing's been... This gasket hadn't been open in so long. I'm gonna see if I can get you to take my GoPro and go like right in front of where that big puddle is. I'm gonna go across it really fast.
No, do a wheelie.
I am.
Do a wheelie.
Yeah, but go like at that corner.
Yeah, where you turn out your rubber.
Ooh, I need a slippery when wet sign. Was that a good wheelie though? I was actually confident because I had my foot covering the brake.
He's trying to do a wheelie. Slow wheelies. Oh god. There's a Suzuki. Where's the gas at? I want to turn his gas off. Dang it. I don't know if this has one. I'm sure it does, but I don't know. Yeah. Suzuki. And he got it darn muddy doing all that. But that's the 250. That is a big mamma jamma right there, boy. Here goes Garrett on the first gear wheelies on the little Honda 300. This is neutral. Got the FMF Power Core 4. Oh yeah. That thing sound good, pit bike. She do. That's
Oh,
what.
this is weird. It's like.
This is what you practice wheelie on right here. Drag your feet. Oh, set. Hold up.
Oh, that's in gear, ain't it? That's not noticed that chain was spinning.
Wow.
Practicing
You're
wheeling.
smashing the bucket, you dummy. Look at the bucket.
That bucket is a piece of crap. It's been here for as long as I can remember. That was a.
That's a new.
This thing's a lot easier to get neutral than every other bike we got. Woo! You run with that back tire, boys? This thing has been running forever.
Ugh.
I have got her on 4-stroke, 2-stroke.
Got a 2-stroke over here. 125 2-bagger.
Come on.
And then we got the
The
Suzuki.
power button's not here. I can't turn it off either. I'm gonna have to turn off the gas. There it goes.
What's wrong with this power button?
I don't know.
Kill switch.